And now your 13 News Now weather forecast, certified most accurate in Hampton Roads.
As I mentioned a couple of minutes ago, it's cold out there, but it's a lot colder in some spots than in others. I'll go over that one more time briefly in case you're just joining us. Right now, great visibility. We're looking down over portions of Norfolk and Portsmouth. Downtown's all lit up there, as you can see. And meanwhile, again, nothing at all on radar. Now, by tomorrow, say 18 hours from now or so, we'll probably start tracking a few isolated showers. I think they'll mainly stay down in North Carolina. For tonight, though, 42, but again, lower to mid 30s once you get into inland areas, maybe even some near 30-degree readings, really rural spots. For example, southern Chesapeake down, way in the southern part there of the city. You're already at 31, but look at it, it's 50 in Norfolk, 40 in Newport News. So we have a big spread across the region right now, including 39 inland in Virginia Beach. Right along the boardwalk right now, it's about 47 degrees. So just over 3 miles or whatever before you get into the rural sections there around Oceana. It is a considerable drop off in temperature. So drop it off again into the morning, near freezing or a little bit above in a lot of these very rural areas. And then closer to the coastline, you'll find 30s to low 40s. Already into the midday hour, you're going to start to see, or late morning, we should say, start to see those temperatures climbing back up through the 40s, and then they'll end up about like today's were, in the 50s, mid 50s. Notice the moisture trying to spin in here from a weak system along the coastline down to our south. We're going to say a 10% chance of a shower here locally, but down in North Carolina, more like a 20% chance, even Saturday night. By Sunday, that should all be leaving at around sunrise, moving off to the ocean, and temperature Sunday will start to climb up a little bit compared to tomorrow. Not much, just a couple of degrees. Highs today, look at all these 57 stringing right down here from the eastern shore back down into south side. Pretty similar numbers here on much of the peninsula, 58, then 59 down to Suffolk. Williamsburg checking in a little bit warmer. Here's the jet stream over the next couple of days. Little bit of a dip in the east. That's why we're seeing some of the chilly conditions that are out there right now. Once we get into Tuesday, though, we have this flow out of the south, really warms it up near 70. And then as this polar vortex basically moves in late next week, it is going to drop and drop dramatically. So satellite, again, featuring the clear skies tonight then. 42, but lower to mid 30s inland, and a little bit of a very light north wind. Tomorrow, sunshine early, then some clouds. A few isolated showers are possible, mainly in North Carolina. We'll say about a 20% chance there late in the afternoon into the overnight. About a 10% risk here. 58 is pretty similar Sunday, 62 Monday. Warm Tuesday again, 70, and then temperatures plummet 60s and falling into the 40s by Wednesday evening.
All right, thanks, Jeff.